Friday, February 9, 2024. Focus. Be open. God has gifted us a conscience. It is important for every person to be sufficiently present to himself in order to hear and follow the voice of his conscience. But the world finds umpteen ways to define us to the voice of conscience. The most common is, everybody does it. Or when the law of the land legalizes something forbidden by God, then what is wrong ceases to be wrong. Sin is no more sin as sin. What were grave sins become trivial. Indeed, we lose the very sense of sin. Among such acceptable sins are godlessness, idolatry, abortion, gay marriage, unmarried cohabitation, inordinate greed, and indifference to the poor. Deaf to conscience, we are unable to speak out either. We do not realize it is so wrong, so we are muted in denouncing sin. In today's gospel, the people bring to Jesus a deaf man. Deafness probably caused his speech impediment. Jesus says, "Be open," and his ears are open and his tongue is released. The eyewitnesses applaud the physical cure, but Jesus values more the spiritual healing. In the first reading, we see how Solomon, once exceptionally blessed, grew deaf to his conscience and brought punishment on himself and his kingdom. Oh, that my people would listen to me, that Israel would walk in my ways. Fruit. I will ask Jesus to open my ears and release my tongue to fight sin in myself and in the world.